it doesn't take too much to open up the door. And you can see it's a nice big opening. Go ahead and close it.